Alam mo ba na you will not be able to build muscle by just taking whey protein? So this is the common misconception na nare-receive natin sa mga comments na pag naka-live tayo, they are expecting automatic. Pag nag-whey protein ako, lalaki yung muscle ko. Whey protein ang ginagawa niya, it provides you protein by just mixing it sa water. So it's a convenient way of getting your protein. And muscle growth comes in you getting your total protein na kailangan ng katawan mo every day. Consistently yan, no? Within the next couple of days, within the next couple of months, or even years. Plus, syempre, yung consistency mo with working outs. So whey protein alone will not build you muscle. Keep that in mind. This will just help you para ma-target mo yung protein mo. You do it consistently. From there, you build muscle. This is just a help. Lahat ng binibenta natin dito sa shop will be just a tool for you to reach your desired progress. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng supplement, naka-live rin ng ating team. 6 p.m. onwards, kita-kita tayo mga to. Lalagayan ko na lang ng link tong video na to para sa mga products na bestseller namin. You guys have a great day. Peace!